Today we're going to take this and put it on that. This is going to be hopefully the conclusion of installing this workaround third function so I could use my Ignite Attachments Grapple on the TYM T4058. I bought the least expensive hydraulic hoses I could find, which is 1/4 inch. Ideally, it would be 1/2 inch running all the way from the back remotes all the way to the front of the loader. But since this tractor is not mine, and I really don't have a use for this after this tractor goes back, so I was trying to have a very small budget. So I bought 1/4 inch hydraulic lines, the fittings, and the couplers. Ag couplers for the rear, and I already had the flat face connect under pressure for the loader and the grapple at the front. I'm just going to zip tie this hose from the rear to the front so it will have free movement but yet not hit the ground. So this is going to be a work through this problem as I go. I have an idea where I want the hoses to run, but you never know till you really get into it with both feet. So I have a 90 degree on one hose, and I have a 45 degree on the other hose so I can gain a little clearance from between them when they make that curve. I made a previous video on starting this project if you want to back up and go check that out. My plan is to run these from the rear remotes tightly as possible together, route them all the way to the front, and then zip tie these two together and to whatever is convenient that will not be getting in the way. So let's get started. Okay, let's start at the rear. I got everything hooked up and secured with zip ties for the time being. I'm using the return to center or non-detent remotes. The red remotes are detented and the top yellow ones are not. Meaning when you push the lever to close or open, when you let go, the handle comes back to neutral, so it's not pushing any pressure. But I've got the hoses connected to the remotes. They run down and out of the way, away from the rear axle, totally absent from inside the fender well, down the frame, not touching anything. But I've got them running up here with the existing hoses right up beside the factory quick connects, quick couplers for the loader. Up and around with the loader hoses, down the loader frame and down to here. Now this is very ugly, but it's very useful, utilitarian, I would say. I put some high density foam to protect the tractor paint and to keep from scuffing the hoses here and here, because these lines will jump. I don't know where my camera went. There you go. These lines will jump when being actuated. I've got the connect under pressure male on the right hand side and the female on the left. On my tractor, where the Grapple lives 99% of the time, the male is on the bottom and the female is on the top. And the reason why I did that is because the female hose coming out of the Grapple inside the anti-chafing cover is longer than the male. So I want the male closest to the Grapple. Losing my focus here. I want the male closest to the Grapple and the female the furthest away from it. So when I go to hook these up, the longest hose will fit in the right spot and the shortest one in the correct spot as well. I've got two heavy duty zip ties just wrapped around this loader frame. This one is lightly pulled tight to keep the hoses up against this high density foam. Anyway, let's go hook it up and see if any of this even works. Well, that's going to wrap up this project of adding a workaround third function on the TYM T4058. This same method will work on any tractor that has rear remotes. If you can't afford a third function, or you're renting a tractor that doesn't have a third function but has rear remotes, or you don't have enough money and you're still saving up to get a third function, you can spend about 130 bucks, give or take, if you have to buy it all new, and have the same purpose. It's not as convenient, I guarantee you. It's not as convenient as having the buttons on the loader joystick, but it is functional and it will work. I don't have any leaks, which is great news. I don't have anything rubbing. Everything's functioning just like I had planned, so I'm gonna call this a very successful project. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.